Today topic is a specific resistance or resistivity. Here we write heading as specific resistance or resistivity. It is heading. We write a specific resistance or resistivity. The definition of a specific resistance will be resistance of a conductor. We write resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its length and universally, we write universally proportional to, here we write universally proportional to the area of a cross section. Area of a cross section. We write resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its length and universally proportional to the area of a cross section. It is a definition of a specific resistance. It is also called resistivity. We write mathematical formula. Here we write the symbol of resistance and we write directly proportional to L. L indicates length of the conductor and universally proportional to the area of a cross section. Here we write inversely proportional to area of a cross section. Let it is a conductor, it is a length which indicate L. It is a area of cross section. Therefore we write A. Now we write R is equal to rho into L upon A, where rho is A, we write rho is a proportionality constant and called a specific resistance. Now here we write if L is equal to 1 cm. The length of conductor is L 1 cm and A is equal to 1 cm square, then length is equal to 1 cm and A is equal to 1 cm square, then the equation will be R is equal to rho into 1 upon 1. Therefore R is equal to, or rho is equal to R. So we write a definition according to 1 cm and 1 cm square. The resistance of a conductor, we write the resistance of a conductor whose length is 1 cm and area of cross section. We write an area of cross section is 1 cm square is called a specific resistance. A specific resistance. It is another definition of a specific resistance. We write unit. Here we write it is also called resistivity. Now we write units. We explain unit. R is equal to rho into L upon A. It is a formula of a specific resistance. Now we write rho is equal to R into A upon A. Now we put the unit of R, the unit of A and the unit of L. Here we write ohm, cm square and cm. 1 cm cut out. The unit of a specific resistance will be ohm cm. Here we write ohm cm. It is a unit of now we write it in meter. Here we convert meter and it is a SI unit. Now we write a specific conductance. The next topic is a specific conductance. It is a reciprocal of a specific resistance we write definition of the receive we write the reciprocal of a specific resistance is called a specific we write the reciprocal of a specific resistance is called a specific conductance or we write conductivity. It is also called a specific conductivity. We write the reciprocal of a specific resistance is called a specific conductance or conductivity. It is denoted by kappa. The symbol of kappa will be here we write a specific conductance is equal to 1 upon a specific resistance. We write the symbol of a specific conductance kappa and a specific resistance rho. It is a formula. Now we write 1 upon R into A upon L. It is a value of rho. Kappa is equal to L upon R into A. It is a move and go upward. Kappa is equal to 1 by R into L by A. Kappa is equal to 1 by R is equal to C. Kappa is equal to C into G star. G star is called cell constant. These are formula of a specific conductance. Now we write unit of a specific conductance. Here we write units. We explain unit of a specific conductance. We write L upon R into L. Now we put the unit of L, the unit of R and unit of A and converted into unit of kappa. We write unit of L is equal to Cm, unit of R is equal to ohm and unit of A is equal to Cm square. If we cut out, it move upper and converted into ohm inverse. Here we write ohm inverse Cm inverse, ohm inverse meter inverse. Ohm inverse is equal to called Simon. We write Simon Cm inverse or Simon meter inverse. These are units of kappa.